Welcome to HostAfrica website builder tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to upload and set a favicon for your website. A favicon is that tiny icon you see on browser tabs next to your site's address. Let's get yours set up. In your website builder dashboard, click on Menu, then click on Settings. Navigate to Site Identity or Favicon. Click Upload Favicon or choose an image. After uploading, save your changes. Refresh your website in a browser to see your favicon in action. Test it across devices to ensure it displays correctly. And that's how you upload and set a favicon with HostAfrica website builder. Though small, it adds a big touch of professionalism. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep building with HostAfrica.